How to charge Roblox gift card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you on how to charge a Roblox gift card. So it's a simple process, so follow along. You can purchase and redeem a Roblox gift card directly on their website. This process must be done on the website and is not available on the mobile app. So when you visit the roblox.com, click on the gift card option on the left side of the screen. I want to clarify that on this page you can buy gift cards by various locations, but there is currently no option to charge a Roblox gift card. Therefore, you will not be able to charge an existing Roblox gift card. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to acquire and redeem a new card. So if you have an old Roblox gift card with remaining Robux, you will need to purchase a new one as they do not allow charging old gift cards. You can buy a digital gift card on the website using different payment methods or visit the physical retailers like Walmart or Target to get a physical card. After selecting your card, customize it, choose the amount in $5 increments, minimum $10 and maximum $500, and simply now proceed to checkout. It's easy to get a Roblox gift card this way as they do not provide an option to charge old cards. Once you use the Robux on an old gift card, you can discard it and get a new one. Payment options include PayPal, Google Pay, or credit or debit card. After completing the purchase, you will receive a digital code that you can redeem. To redeem the code, go to Roblox gift card, click on Redeem Card at the top right corner and input the gift card code, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on Redeem. You will instantly receive your Robux from a new gift card. If you exhaust all the Robux on the gift card, either discard the physical card or for the digital codes, they cannot be recharged, so get a new one when needed. I hope this guide on charging a Roblox gift card was helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more easy tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.